Have you ever walked into a new place and thought, I don't know anyone here? Have you ever wanted to say hello but felt too nervous? Or maybe you worried that people wouldn't want to talk to you. If you've ever felt that way, you're not alone. Almost everyone feels nervous when meeting new people. The good news is, making friends doesn't have to be difficult. Sometimes, one simple conversation can change your whole day. In today's story, you'll hear natural American English as two friends talk about meeting new people. You'll learn useful everyday expressions, how to start a conversation, how to ask friendly questions, and how small acts of kindness can help you make new friends. So, relax, listen carefully, and imagine you're part of the story. Let's get started.
Hey, Umair! Over here!
Hi, Anoum. Sorry I'm late.
That's okay. I just got here a few minutes ago.
Thanks for waiting. Traffic was terrible today.
No problem. How's your week going?
Pretty good, but something happened yesterday.
Really? What happened?
I joined a photography club.
That's awesome! I didn't know you liked photography.
I do. I finally decided to try something new.
So, how did it go?
Honestly, I almost walked back home.
Why?
Everyone was already talking to someone. I didn't know where to stand.
Oh, I've felt like that before.
Really?
Of course. Meeting new people can feel scary.
Exactly. I kept thinking, what if I say something weird?
I think everyone worries about that.
I even looked at my phone for 5 minutes so I wouldn't look awkward.
That's a classic move.
I know! I wasn't even reading anything.
You were pretending to be busy.
Yep.
So, did you talk to anyone?
Not at first.
What changed?
Someone smiled at me.
That's nice.
Yeah, but I got nervous and smiled back. A little too much.
What do you mean?
I kept smiling while walking away.
That must have looked funny.
Probably. I looked like I had forgotten how to stop smiling.
Well, at least you looked friendly.
I hope so.
Can I ask you something?
Sure.
Why did you join the club?
I wanted to meet new people. I've been spending too much time at home.
That's a good reason.
I realized most of my weekends were the same.
Sleep, phone, snacks, repeat?
Exactly.
I think a lot of people understand that.
I wanted to do something different.
I'm proud of you for trying.
Thanks. But making friends seems harder than taking pictures.
Maybe you're trying too hard.
What do you mean?
Friendship usually starts with a simple conversation.
Like saying hi?
Exactly.
That sounds easy, but it doesn't feel easy.
That's true.
Sometimes I don't know what to say after hi.
Then ask an easy question.
Like what?
What got you interested in photography?
Oh, that's a good one.
People usually enjoy talking about things they like.
That makes sense.
You don't have to be perfect.
I always feel like I need to say something interesting.
You don't.
Really?
Really. Just be curious.
Curious?
Yes. Ask questions, listen carefully, smile. That's how conversations grow.
What does curious mean?
It means you want to learn more about someone or something.
Oh, I like that word.
It's a useful word.
Maybe I worry too much.
Maybe. People usually remember how you made them feel, not every word you said.
I never thought about that.
You'd be surprised how many friendships begin with one small conversation.
I hope you're right.
Why don't you go back to the club next week?
I'm thinking about it.
Good. Don't give up after one day.
You're right. I should give it another chance.
Exactly.
You know what?
What?
Next time, I'll say hi first.
That's the spirit.
Okay, deep breath. I can do this.
Umair is feeling a little more confident now, but saying hi is only the beginning. What happens when he actually starts talking to someone new? A few days later, Umair decides to go back to the photography club. He's still a little nervous, but this time he remembers Anum's advice. Smile, ask simple questions, and be curious.
Hey, I don't think we've met before. I'm Ethan.
Hi, I'm Umair. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Is this your first time here?
It's actually my second time.
Oh, welcome back. I'm glad you came again.
Thanks. I almost didn't.
Really? Why not?
I felt a little shy last week.
I understand. I felt the same way when I joined.
You did?
Absolutely. I didn't know anyone.
That makes me feel better.
Don't worry. Everyone here was new once.
Thanks. That's nice to hear.
So, what got you interested in photography?
I like taking pictures when I travel.
Cool. What's your favorite place you photographed?
A lake near my hometown. The sunset was beautiful.
That sounds amazing.
What about you?
I enjoy taking pictures of people, especially when they're laughing.
Why laughing?
Because smiles are real. They tell a story.
I like that idea.
Do you use your phone or a camera?
Mostly my phone.
That's perfectly fine.
Really?
Of course. The best camera is the one you have with you.
I like that saying.
It reminds us to enjoy the moment instead of waiting for perfect equipment.
What does equipment mean?
It means the tools you use, like a camera, a tripod, or a lens.
Oh, I get it now.
Exactly.
I'm still learning.
We all are.
That's good to know.
Want to walk around the park and take a few pictures together?
Sure, I'd like that.
Great. Let's start with those flowers.
They're really colorful.
Try taking the picture from a lower angle.
Like this?
A little lower.
How about now?
Perfect.
Wow, that looks much better.
See? Small changes can make a big difference.
Just like making friends.
Exactly. One small conversation can lead to a great friendship.
You know, I was worried people wouldn't talk to me.
I'm glad you didn't leave.
Me too.
By the way, a few of us usually grab coffee after the club meeting.
Really?
Yeah, you're welcome to join us.
Thanks. I'd love to.
Awesome. I think you'll have a good time.
I already am.
See? Coming back was a good decision.
It really was.
And next week, maybe you'll be the one welcoming someone new.
I hope so.
I think you will.
Umair took a chance, started a simple conversation, and discovered that many people feel the same way when they're new. Sometimes friendship begins with nothing more than a smile and a question. A few days later, Anoum visits the photography club to see how Umair is doing. Umair is busy taking pictures with another group, so Anoum has a chance to meet Ethan for the first time.
Hi, I'm Anum.
Hi, Anoum. I'm Ethan. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I've heard a lot about you.
Oh? Hopefully only good things.
Yes, all good things.
That's a relief. Whew.
Umair told me you made him feel welcome.
I'm happy to hear that.
He was pretty nervous before coming back.
I could tell. He was quiet at first.
That's normal for him in a new place.
It happens to a lot of people.
What made you talk to him?
He looked like he wanted to join the conversation, but he wasn't sure how.
So you introduced yourself first?
Yep, sometimes one hello is all it takes.
I couldn't agree more.
And once we started talking, everything felt easy.
He's funny when he relaxes.
I noticed that. He told me he smiled for too long last week.
He told me that story too.
We all had a good laugh.
Laughter really helps people feel comfortable.
Exactly.
Can I ask you something?
Of course.
You're friendly with everyone here. What's your secret?
Honestly, I just try to notice people who are standing alone.
That's thoughtful.
I remember how lonely I felt on my first day.
So you don't want anyone else to feel that way.
Right.
That's very kind.
Thanks.
Sometimes people think making friends means saying something clever.
I don't think so.
What do you think?
I think being a good listener is more important.
I like that.
People enjoy talking to someone who really listens.
That's true.
You don't have to talk all the time.
Sometimes a simple question is enough.
Exactly.
What does thoughtful mean? I hear that word a lot.
It means you care about other people's feelings and try to help them.
Oh, I like that word.
It's one of my favorite compliments.
Mine too now.
You know, Umair has changed since last week.
Really?
He's smiling because he's happy now, not because he's nervous.
That's wonderful.
Today he introduced himself to 2 new members.
He did?
Yep.
I'm proud of him.
He should be proud of himself too.
I think confidence grows one step at a time.
I couldn't have said it better.
Thanks for encouraging him.
It was easy. He just needed a chance.
Sometimes that's all people need.
Exactly. A chance, a smile, and a friendly conversation.
Anoum is happy to see how much Umair has grown. A little kindness from Ethan helped turn nervous moments into new friendships. After the photography club meeting, Anoum and Umair walk to a nearby coffee shop. They sit down with their drinks and think about everything that has happened over the past few days.
So, how do you feel now?
Honestly, much better.
That's great to hear.
I can't believe I almost quit after my first day.
I'm glad you didn't.
Me too. Going back was the best decision.
What was the biggest lesson you learned?
That I don't have to be perfect to make friends.
Exactly.
I just need to be myself.
And be open to meeting people.
Right. I also learned that asking simple questions keeps a conversation going.
That's true.
People enjoy talking when someone listens.
You're becoming a good listener.
I'm trying.
And it's working.
You know, I met 3 new people today.
3? That's amazing!
Yeah, I even introduced myself first.
See? I knew you could do it.
I was still a little nervous.
Being nervous is okay.
Really?
Of course. Courage doesn't mean you're never nervous. It means you try anyway.
I like that.
So, what's your plan now?
I'm going to keep coming to the club every week.
Good idea.
And next time I see someone standing alone, I'll say hi.
That's a wonderful way to start a friendship.
Thanks for encouraging me.
Anytime.
I'm really happy I didn't let fear stop me.
Sometimes one small step leads to something wonderful.
I believe that now.
Today's story showed us that making new friends doesn't require perfect English or perfect confidence. A smile, a kind question, and a willingness to listen can open the door to meaningful friendships. Along the way, you heard useful, everyday expressions like, "Nice to meet you." "What got you interested in?" "I'd love to," and "I'm glad you came." These are natural phrases that English speakers use every day. Now we'd love to hear from you. Here's today's question. What's one simple way you like to start a conversation with someone new? Share your answer in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's story, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Fluent AvenueX, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new English lesson. Thanks for watching Fluent AvenueX. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and we'll see you in the next lesson.